much today. I am waiting for food to arrive so I can take a break and eat lunch, me and Joe, because I do not feel like cooking. I am the type of person who likes to clean things as I go. Anybody else? So I'm just cleaning these. I'm gonna clean these before I pack them. I've thrown away a lot. Oh, I think that's the food. Everything in that container is trash and recycle. I'm doing all of the food and containers that I do not use. All of this is empty. This is all I have here. I put this here because I wanted everything in one cabinet, but I put this here because that's just way too high for me up there. And this one's empty. We just have the water that I use for my coffee. This one's full. Here I have my scale. I want to make my smoothies. And this is all full with just utensils and things that I use literally every day. So I'm gonna do this last. And I have not touched my office area at all. That's gonna be last. And everything else in my room. I already did all of my clothes though. And Joseph's clothes and Junior's clothes. Not everything, but whatever doesn't get used that much. So yeah, time to eat lunch. And then I think I'm gonna take a break, because I've been going at it since this morning. I love Chopper Grill. So good. Okay, so we have corn. I love corn. I try not to eat it that much because the body doesn't digest it well, but every once in a while, I'll eat it. They gave me an extra side of black beans. I didn't order that, but I'll take it. And then I always order the same thing, which is the chicken choppy chop with grilled chicken, white rice, black beans. And I cannot eat this without the cilantro garlic sauce. It just elevates everything and takes it to the next level. So one for me, one for Joe. Oh, I see what they did. I ordered red beans, but they gave me black beans on the side. It's okay. I like them both. And then the secret sauce, so good. I love anything garlic, but it's spilled, so oh my, it's all over. Anyways, let's eat. I have a small pet peeve where I don't like to eat with plastic silverware. I don't know why, but I just don't. Good morning. It is 9:45. I am at Publix. I have to go grocery shopping. Look how puffy my eye is. It's still swollen. It's not red anymore. I don't have any grossness coming out of it, but it's definitely still a little bit swollen. My gosh, I had like a little pimple that came out here and on this side as well, so I think it's my pillow. I have to wash my pillow. And I put on the pimple patches last night, and this morning it's completely gone, both of them. That stuff is the best. It's called Mighty something, Mighty Patches, I think. I get them at Target. They work so good, but I'm so tired. Last night I wanted to make white rice and beans. I burned the rice and then I didn't have any beans. It was a disaster. So I ended up ordering out dinner, but I want to get rice and beans because that's what I feel like eating, and chicken. I'm gonna do like a burrata toast. Have you guys seen like the Hailey Bieber burrata toast? Like everyone's trying it. It looks so good. I want to try it. I've tried a similar one, and I did an Instagram story or maybe a reel on it a while back. I think I put it on a video a while back, and that's really good. It's really similar to that, but without the basil. Like mine was more of a a bruschetta type of thing. Hers is just like the sourdough bread, the tomatoes, the burrata cheese, and I think that's it. Salt, pepper, and olive oil. But it looks really, really good. Good snack. So I want to try that. So I'm gonna get the ingredients for that. And ingredients for dinner, I just want to do like grilled chicken and things like that for Junior. And because he's in basketball camp, I have to cook extra for his lunch the next day. So yeah, that's why I'm here. I have so much to do today. I mean, I have a lot to do the next couple of weeks. Yeah, that's it for now. Let's go inside. It's a gloomy day, but it's a little humid. But at least the sun is not beaming.